Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming power and a usable audio path. Many cars need the key and accessory, or a working 12V socket. Pick the right device for your car: USB/plug-in Bluetooth adapter for modern head units, cassette/aux BT for older tape decks, or FM transmitter if no direct input exists. Once chosen, plug power in and pair mode the adapter. Make sure your phone's Bluetooth is on. This gets you from 0 to a live Bluetooth signal, fast, practical, and targeted to your vehicle. Once the adapter is powered, put it in pairing mode and watch for LEDs or a voice cue. These confirm it's discoverable. On your phone, open Bluetooth, find the device name, and pair. Enter common PINs like 0000 or 1234 if prompted. Then select the car's audio source: aux, tape, USB input, or the FM frequency you set on the transmitter. Make sure volume is moderate, about 70%, so you can tweak levels without distortion. This ensures clear audio and minimal interference. Now finalize by testing. Play music, make a call, and confirm the microphone and stereo balance work. Listen for hiss or delay. If you get dropouts, repair and move the adapter away from metal or USB chargers. Interference is common. For FM transmitters, try multiple channels until static is lowest. Once done, consider firmware updates for digital adapters or replace low-cost units if latency, mono audio, or noise persist. If all else fails, swap to a direct-aux or Bluetooth-enabled head unit for a permanent.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.